Meaning of enjoyably.
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 Enjoyably. Enjoyably is an adverb that describes something that is pleasurable or delightful to experience. When something is done enjoyably, it means that the individual performing the task is doing it with pleasure and contentment. This could lead to greater satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment when completing the task or activity. By engaging in activities enjoyably, one could potentially reduce stress levels and increase overall happiness in life. Ultimately, doing something enjoyably can lead to a more positive and fulfilling existence.